PainChek is an app that sits on a smart device, and it uses AI technology to identify facial movements that we all have when we're in pain. Our purpose is to give a voice to people who cannot reliably report their pain, such as people living with dementia, learning disability, or mental health.
One of the main projects that I've been supporting to help and support social care is the PainChek app. The idea is to build a unique for Wales by Wales approach to complete overseeing of every type of device that they all have out there.
Pain is difficult. It's difficult to assess, it's difficult to manage, even more so for people who struggle to communicate. The first project was instigated by Life Sciences Hub Wales. 1/3 of care homes across Gwent participated in the pilot, with over 400 residents benefiting from PainChek.
We're a specialist service for adults living with schizophrenia, bipolar, personality disorder, basically functional mental health illnesses. So even though somebody experiences pain, they might not be able to tell you they're in pain. So we've used this tool to be able to help us as nurses to assess individual pain. The tool actually allows us to scan people's face who are non-verbal, who can't share how or where they're in pain. PainChek has most definitely enhanced the lives of a number of my residents.
Here in the UK, over 400 care homes are now using PainChek, and of course the work that we've done with Life Sciences Hub Wales has really helped with that as well here in Wales. And what we're seeing is that by use of PainChek, we're seeing better outcomes for our residents.